In an area traditionally dominated by male perspectives, the Maven Cargo e-bike emerges as a beacon of innovation and inclusivity. This pioneering creation, developed entirely by women, offers a refreshing departure from the conventional one-size-fits-all approach in the electric bike industry. The brain behind this groundbreaking concept is none other than Laura Belmer, the CEO and co-founder of Integral Electrics. The Maven Cargo e-bike was born from the realization that female-centered mobility solutions were conspicuously absent from the electric bike market. In an era where electric bikes are surging in popularity due to their versatility and practicality, the Maven e-bike fills a significant void. Most e-bikes are created with a generalist approach, leaving female riders often overlooked. After a visit to the Taipei Cycle Show, Laura Belmer recognized the stark disparity in appearance and engineering choices, which overwhelmingly favored a male perspective. This stark gender bias was hindering accessibility for women and shorter riders who sought e-bike solutions tailored to their unique needs. The Maven Cargo e-bike is not just a bike, it's a testament to an appearance philosophy that values the diversity of riders. Belmer's vision centers on delivering an exceptional riding experience for women, and breaking free from an industry that has, for too long, been tailored for men, by men. This e-bike is developed to cater to the needs of shorter riders, veterans of cycling, and, in fact, anyone between 5 feet and 6 feet 7 inches tall. The bike incorporates a dropper seat post, allowing for easy seat height adjustments, and adjustable handlebars, to ensure seamless use by riders of varying dimensions. Integral Electrics understands that many female riders have reported instability issues with current cargo bikes, often stemming from poor appearance. The Maven Cargo e-bike addresses this drawback by strategically placing the cargo rack just above the rear wheel, approximately 24 inches above the ground. This smart appearance choice aligns the cargo with the rider's knees, keeping the center of gravity well below waist height. As a result, the bike offers a newfound sense of stability, making riding effortless and confident for everyone. The Maven Cargo e-bike is not just about addressing gender disparities, it's a high-performance electric bike in its own right. With dual batteries, it boasts a remarkable range of up to 130 kilometers, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting, leisurely rides, or even longer journeys. The extensive rear rack can accommodate various cargo accessories, allowing riders to adapt the bike to their specific needs. The 750-watt rear hub motor can be controlled through pedal assist or hand throttle, making it suitable for riders of different preferences and abilities. Safety is paramount, as the Maven comes equipped with a large headlight and tail light for night riding, as well as front and rear turn signals. Hydraulic disc brakes, a dual crown fork suspension, and a rear suspension add comfort and control to the ride, ensuring a smooth experience even on rough terrain. In a world where innovation and inclusivity often come at a premium, the Maven Cargo e-bike takes a different approach. Priced at an attractive $1,999 through its Kickstarter campaign, the Maven e-bike aims to break down barriers and empower a wider range of riders. The success of this crowdfunding endeavor is intrinsically tied to the trajectory of the Maven e-bike, promising to deliver a wave of change in the electric bike industry. Integral Electrics, under the leadership of Laura Belmer, has not only created a more inclusive electric bike, but has also raised the bar for the entire industry, proving that diversity in appearance leads to products that cater to the needs of all riders. With its exceptional features and an appearance philosophy focused on true inclusivity, the Maven Cargo e-bike promises to revolutionize the electric bike market and empower female riders in the world of cycling. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Also go to our channel. There are many other videos about e-bikes. Have a nice day and see you soon.